It's Alex O'Brien.
It's a beautiful sunrise today. The sun is up and it's going to warm us up quickly. It was a very mild overnight, so it's 49 waking up in Pueblo. It's well above average for our overnight temperatures, and in Colorado Springs 58 this morning. It's mild. I did not even have a jacket going to work today, so you probably won't need one either because while it might seem chilly at the start today, we're going to see these temperatures climb very quickly. So 40s, 50s, cool start. This afternoon, we're rising to the 60s in the mountains, 70s and 80s in the plains. So yesterday, we had a lot of 80s, a lot of 90s, record heat. We're backing that off today. We're at least 5 degrees cooler. So across the Pikes Peak region, again, we're still above average. Much more comfortable spring weather though. 71 for Monument, 79 for the Springs, Fountain, 77 in Ellicott. And along the Arkansas River, 80 for Penrose. Pueblo West, 81 today. Colorado City, good morning. You'll reach a high of 75 later today. And until we get our spring green up, until our fuels, aka our grasses, have better moisture content, it's going to be very easy for us to continue to see fire danger. So any chance that we are warm, breezy, and dry, red flag warnings will follow. From 11 till 9 today, long duration red flag warning, but then things drastically change tomorrow. A cold front arrives Friday morning that will take our highs down to 57 on Friday, plus it brings in extra moisture. So I do want to highlight when we have the best chance of seeing rain. That will be into the afternoon and evening hours here in the Springs. Could get a nice drink of water, a nice moderate rain shower, maybe even a lightning strike tomorrow. Those will be few and far between, but they are possible. We will likely see a quick transition, very brief that is, over to snowfall Friday night into early Saturday, but I don't expect to see a lot of snow accumulation in Colorado Springs. If at all, it would be on the grass. And then by the end of the weekend, we are going to warm back up to the 60s Sunday, 70s for Monday and Tuesday. So for Pueblo, fire danger, wind, and warmth today into the low 80s. Tomorrow, we're dropping to 64 for the high. I see us mostly as rain in Pueblo from Friday afternoon into the overnight hours. But you could, again, briefly see a transition to snow. Emphasis on brief. Don't expect to see a blanket of snow on Saturday morning in Pueblo. We're going to rise back to the low 80s by next week, so this cool down is really only brief. For Canyon City, 80 today, sunny and dry, but we have that nice drink of water on the way Friday with an afternoon rain shower. Briefly, maybe some snow, but mostly will be liquid precipitation. But that's different for Woodland Park. I do see you mostly seeing snow from this event, especially overnight Friday. You could wake up Saturday with about 2 to 5 inches on the grass, maybe less for the roadways as it will melt a lot more there.